Hi friends, welcome to Sabi Rookie Vlog. This is me Sabi. So today we are going to talk about some tips on how to keep our bathrooms clean. Watch this video till the end so that you get a bonus tip. So without much delay, let's get into the video. Point number 1. Keep a small wiper handy. If your bathroom has a glass shower door, it is very important to have a wiper in your bathroom. By wiping down glasses immediately after shower will keep your glasses stain free. An extra couple of minutes can make a huge difference. Point number 2. Quick rinse and wipe for sink. Most of the time we see toothpaste and hair on the sink. This is disgusting. So we should make sure that we rinse and wipe the sink at least twice a day. I always prefer morning and night times. Once we start this practice, we won't back out. Point number 3. Wash bath mats regularly. Wash your bath mats at least once in a week as it gets wet easily and can make foul smell inside bathroom. Washing it regularly keeps your bathroom fresh always. Point number 4. Always empty your trash can every morning when you leave the bathroom after freshening up. In this way, the bathroom will be clean. A set of trash bags need to be stored in the bathroom itself so that after removing the used trash bag, a new one can go to its place. A overloaded trash can make your mood dim. Point number 5. Make baskets your friend. Placing baskets under your sink and drawer keeps clutter away. By this habit, your countertop becomes clutter-free. A lot of clutter on countertop looks messy. Using baskets on other part of home is also a good idea. Point number 6. Use tray on countertop. Even though we use basket, there may be certain items we need to place on countertop as it is easily accessible and used on a daily basis. To keep these items, you can use a tray as it helps to control counter clutter. Point number 7. Use liquid soap. Using liquid soap instead of a bar soap is an excellent idea. Hand wash and shower gels need to be placed rather than a bar soap. You can also use liquid dispensers that matches your bathroom to fill these liquids. This gives your bathroom much more elegant look. Nice smelling bars can be placed on drawers and cabinets where you store your towels as it gives a smell to your towel as well as your bathroom. Point number 8. Keep hand towels handy. Always keep a basket filled with enough hand towels. Using a dirty towel is not a good idea. As soon as you see the towel, replace it immediately. A dirty hand towel ruins the look of your pretty bathroom. Point number 9. Clean the toilet regularly. You may feel that daily toilet cleaning is a nuisance, but as cleaning is done regularly, it will take only 2 to 3 minutes daily. Using Clorox tablets in the tank can help you to avoid the ugly rings that forms in your toilet. Point number 10. Don't throw on floor. Never throw any of clothes or towels on floor even if you are in a rush. Instead, put a basket to put the clothes. Always place a hamper in an accessible location to hang towel. As I said in the beginning of the video, here is your bonus tip. Do as you go. This is not a tip just for your bathroom or just for some period, but it is for your lifetime. By do as you go, I meant that never keep the things to be done later. As you see it, do it. I have shared all my 10 tips and a bonus tip for you guys. If you have any secret tips, definitely comment it below. I would love to follow it too. Thank you for your valuable time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.